Oh, over the past year, we spent a lot of time at home. And those things that are easy for us to overlook become harder and harder, especially when we're talking about a small space. So I think with a few clever solutions and the right storage pieces, you can have it all and make room for it all. In the bedroom, we're able to take full advantage of the height with the large PAX unit. Behind me, there's an Ekit combination that takes full advantage of the height of the little alcove. So open storage is a really great way to show off some of your displays. Take some time, get yourself organized. Maybe you organize things by color or pattern or material. In this home, we showcase collections based on color and finish. Another trick, similarly with the large furniture pieces, we were able to use monochromatic storage boxes. So what happens in places like the hallway where you have lots of open shelves, by using a few smart monochromatic based storage boxes, you can actually celebrate all of the collections that live above. At IKEA, we talk a lot about the Underbed storage, which is perfect for seasonal clothing or that pesky stick vacuum. When it comes to surprises, we've created a unique solution behind the sofa. By pulling the sofa slightly into the space and mounting wall shelves behind it, we create a hidden storage below for things like your luggage or maybe even some workout equipment. Take a look around your home. You might be able to find a nice surprising spot to store those things that don't always fit your style. They say creativity thrives in chaos, and my goal for this home was to celebrate the chaos, create organization and a place for everything, even in a small home.